If you thought 2025 was fast, you have no idea what is coming. In the last 12 months, we saw AI write code, clone voices, and pass medical exams. But 2026 is going to be different. 2026 is the year AI leaves the chat box and enters the real world. We are talking about the end of the smartphone era, the first billion-dollar company run by one person, and a shift in healthcare that sounds like magic. I have analyzed the roadmaps of OpenAI, Google, Tesla, and NVIDIA. I have looked at the patents, the investor calls, and the leaked memos. And today, I am giving you the 7 critical predictions for 2026. We are counting them down from number 7 to number 1. And trust me, you do not want to miss number 1, because it changes the definition of what it means to be human. Welcome to Info AI Pro. Let's see the future. Starting off at number 7, the beginning of the end for your smartphone. For 15 years, we have been staring at black rectangles in our hands. It's an antisocial habit. In 2026, we start looking through them. Both Meta and Apple are gearing up for the mass adoption of AI-powered smart glasses. I'm not talking about heavy VR headsets like the Vision Pro that isolate you. I'm talking about glasses like Meta's Orion prototype, lightweight frames that look normal but have a multimodal AI built in. Imagine walking down a street in Paris. You look at a menu and the glasses translate it instantly in your vision. You look at a person you met 5 years ago, and the AI whispers their name and where you met them in your ear. The evidence: Mark Zuckerberg has already stated that smart glasses will be the next major computing platform. In late 2025, we are seeing the supply chain for micro-LED displays ramping up. This suggests a massive consumer launch in 2026. Why this matters to you? In 2026, contextual AI becomes king. You won't pull your phone out to Google something. You'll just look at it and ask. This is the biggest hardware shift since the iPhone 1. Coming in at number 6, the democratization of blockbuster movies. In 2024, we laughed at AI video. It was glitchy, characters had 6 fingers, and the physics were wrong. In 2025, we saw short clips from Sora and Vio that looked realistic. In 2026, we get the full feature. Next year, we predict the first Netflix-quality short film generated entirely by a single person using AI will go viral. We are reaching a point where the cost of visual effects, VFX, drops to 0. Historically, you needed a team of 500 animators and a budget of $100 million to make a Pixar movie. In 2026, you will need a subscription to a video model and a good script. The evidence: look at the trajectory of Runway and Pika Labs. They are adding director modes, where you control camera angles, lighting, and actor movement. The tools are moving from random generation to precise control. Why this matters to you? If you are a creator, this is your golden age. If you're in traditional Hollywood, this is your alarm clock. The barrier to entry for storytelling is disappearing. Number 5 is a massive shift in our daily habits: the death of the search engine. For 20 years, the internet worked like this. You search for a keyword, you get 10 blue links, you click, you read, you close ads. That model dies in 2026. With the rise of Search GPT, Perplexity, and integrated AI in Chrome and Safari, nobody wants a list of links anymore. We want the answer. If you ask, what is the best camera for vlogging, you don't want to read 5 different blogs. You want the AI to read them for you, compare the specs, check the prices, and give you a single recommendation. The evidence: Google's ad revenue from traditional search is under threat. They are forced to push AI overviews. Gartner predicts that by 2026, traditional search engine volume will drop by 25%. That is a massive economic earthquake. Why this matters to you? The internet is becoming a conversation, not a library. Information is becoming faster,
But verifying that information is becoming harder. We're moving from the information age to the curated age. Number 4 is for the entrepreneurs watching. 2026 will be the year of the one-person unicorn. A unicorn is a startup valued at over $1 billion. Historically, you needed hundreds of employees to build that. You needed HR, finance, marketing, and engineering departments. Not anymore. With agentic workflows, where you have an AI coding agent, an AI marketing agent, and an AI sales agent, one human can now act as the CEO of a digital army. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, predicted this in a group chat, saying, "We're going to see a billion-dollar company with less than 3 employees." 2026 is when we see it happen. The evidence: look at tools like Cursor for coding and Salesforce Agentforce. They are replacing entire junior departments. A single developer can now write the code of 10 people. Why this matters to you? The definition of a job is changing. You're not paid to do the task anymore. You're paid to manage the AI that does the task. The most valuable skill in 2026 is orchestration. Number 3. The arrival of humanoid robots. We've seen the demos from Tesla Optimus and Figure. They can fold laundry, they can make coffee, they can lift boxes. But 2026 is the year they enter the workforce for real. We predict that by the end of 2026, we will see humanoids deployed in major US factories like Amazon and BMW at scale. And crucially, we might see the first pre-orders for home butler robots under the price of $25,000. That sounds expensive, but it's the price of a cheap car. For a robot that can wash dishes, clean floors, and carry groceries 24/7, people will pay it. The evidence: Goldman Sachs updated their forecast, predicting the humanoid robot market will be worth $38 billion much sooner than expected. The sensors are cheap. The AI brains are ready. It's just a manufacturing game now. Why this matters to you? This is the physical manifestation of AI. It's no longer code on a screen. It's a machine walking in your physical space. The labor market is about to get very complicated. Number 2 is the most positive prediction on this list: the revolution in longevity and medicine. In 2026, your Apple Watch or Fitbit won't just count steps, it will predict a heart attack days before it happens. AI models trained on biology, like AlphaFold 3, are now designing new drugs at a speed humans couldn't imagine. We predict that in 2026, we will see the first major breakthrough in personalized medicine. Instead of giving you a generic pill that works for most people, an AI will analyze your specific DNA and design a treatment protocol just for you. The evidence: DeepMind and Isomorphic Labs are already partnering with big pharma companies. They are cutting the drug discovery timeline down from 5 years to 12 months. Why this matters to you? This isn't about productivity. This is about survival. AI in 2026 will literally save lives. It represents the shift from sick care, treating you when you're ill, to health care, keeping you from getting sick. And finally, number 1, the prediction that overshadows everything else. Will we see AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, in 2026? Here is our verdict. We will see the spark. We won't have a godlike AI that can do everything instantly, but in late 2026, likely with the release of GPT-5 or Gemini 2.0 Ultra, we will see an AI that can reason over long periods. Currently, AI is a System 1 thinker. It answers fast and instinctively. In 2026, AI becomes a System 2 thinker. It stops, it thinks, it plans, and then it answers. This means an AI that can write an entire book, not just a chapter. An AI that can code an entire app, not just a function. We will reach a point where the AI is smarter than the average human at 90% of economically valuable tasks. Why this matters to you? 2026 is the year the intelligence ceiling breaks. If machines can think better than us, what is left for us to do? This is the year we have to start answering that question seriously. So, those are the 7 predictions for 2026, from smart glasses replacing phones to the dawn of AGI. Which one of these do you think is impossible, and which one scares you the most? I want to hear your prediction for 2026 in the comments below. If you want to survive and thrive in this new world, you need to stay updated. That is what we do here. Subscribe to Info AI Pro. I'll see you in the next one.